Hello everybody, this is Dr. Muhammad Khalil. It's my pleasure to be with you today in this lecture. We are going to discuss the sandwich theorem to find a limit of a function. If you have a function f1 and a function f2, and in between we have the function g of x, so if limit the function f1 when x tends to c equals the limit of the function f2 when x tends to c, if these two limits are equals L, so limit of the interior function g of x also equals L. Let me explain with an example. Example number 1. If f of x lies between 3 plus cosine x and absolute x minus pi plus 2, use the sandwich theorem to find number 1 limit f of x. The first step, you have to find limit of the left-hand side, or let me say left limit equals limit of 3 plus cosine x when x tends to pi. Now we use the direct substitution, so you have 3 plus cosine pi. Cosine pi equals -1, so the final answer is 2. And now it's the turn of the right hand side, right limit, which is limit of x minus pi, absolute x minus pi plus 2. If you substitute here, x equals pi, so the final answer also is 2. So the right limit and the left limit are equal. So we can say that since left limit equals to the right limit, it means that limit of the interior function f of x when x tends to pi equals also 2. This is number 1. For number 2, limit root pi x f of x when x tends to pi. Now substitute here x equals pi and limit f of x equals 2 from the previous step. So you have pi times pi squared times limit f of x, which is 2, so the final answer is 2 pi. Another example,